In this video, we're covering the DIG 12 outlet drip manifolds. They're an awesome way to convert an existing sprinkler riser into a drip system. Dwayne Smith here, Sprinkler Warehouse Product Specialist. Let's get started. A drip manifold is a multi-outlet emitter. It splits water from a single source into multiple directions, usually somewhere between 4 and 12 different streams. In the case of the DIG top manifolds, there are 12 outlets to channel water from. Tubing directs the water to the plant roots. Manifolds install on a shrub stick or riser. They can be installed above ground or underground in a valve box. In the case of the DIG top manifolds, there are 12 individual outlets to channel water from. The emitter tubing, which is sold separately, can either be run underground until it reaches the plant, or you can run it above ground and cover it with mulch. Inside the DIG top manifolds, there are these little individual pressure compensating emitters. You can buy the manifolds with these emitters already inside. The top 030 comes with 3.3 gallons per outlet emitters installed. The top 020 comes with 2.2 gallons per hour emitters. The top 010 comes with 1 gallon per hour emitter. The top 005 comes with 0.6 gallons per hour emitters. There's also a top 000 that comes with no emitters in it. For this one, you'll need to purchase the emitters you want and install them. The emitters come in sets of 12 and they come in 4 different flow rates. Purple, 3.3 gallons per hour. Green, 2.2 gallons per hour. Red, 1 gallon per hour. And black, 0.6 gallons per hour. Any of the top manifolds, you can change out the emitters to completely customize your manifold. Let's change out some emitters. Unscrew the top, remove the filter, then pull out the emitter using a fingernail or a small flathead screwdriver. Place it with the emitter of your choice. Flat side goes down, just like that. The top emitters also come with these caps, like this, so you can close off some of the outlets. Just like that. Reinstall the filter and close up the manifold. The top manifolds work with both 1/8 inch and 1/4 inch tubing. To install 1/8 inch tubing, just wiggle it in like this. To use 1/4 inch tubing, you'll need to purchase these converter barbs. Now, the converter barbs come in different colors, which is a handy way to keep track of emitters with different flow rates. There's also these elbow adapters, which is helpful when your manifold is installed close to the ground. To do 1/4 inch tubing, I find it easier to put the converter barb into the 1/4 inch tubing first, and then install the converter barb into the manifold. From here, you'll run tubing to the plant you want to water. We also sell a couple of different kits that include a top manifold with emitters, 1/8 inch tubing, diffusion plugs, watering stakes, converter barbs, and 8 emitter caps. Remember, Sprinkler Warehouse has everything for your irrigation needs, so your trees, lawn, flower beds, and gardens are lush and beautiful. And if you have any questions, chat with one of our amazing customer service agents on sprinklerwarehouse.com. They really know their stuff, and they'll get you squared away. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for helpful tips, tutorials, and general sprinkler instruction. For Sprinkler Warehouse, I'm Dwayne Smith. Professional quality, rock bottom prices.